We're
We're
back
back.
again with another video,
Oh
and
my
this time it
god.
is Forever Keep a
Keep
Secret
secret.
official music video. So let's get going
Let's
with the
go,
video. It already
guys.
looks very exciting.
Exciting.
Oh wow, it looks like a party.
Yeah, they are having fun in the party.
Oh. Oh, I talk about party and they come with a
They are
party,
talking about party.
baby.
It's a keep a secret. Wow, she
Wow,
look
yeah.
gorgeous, man.
She also, like all of them
Yeah,
are so gorgeous.
yeah.
Oh,
Smoky eyes. Classified.
oh. It has a kind of dreamy kind of situation like
Yeah,
going
it's
on.
more like it's in dream.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
Oh,
Oh,
it
it's
giving
not KG vibe.
no, it's giving Harley Quinn vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that scene where
Yeah.
Harley Quinn was
Birds of Prey.
caged. No,
What?
it's probably
Suicide Squad.
Suicide Squad, right?
Okay,
The first
got it.
Suicide Squad,
Yeah.
where she was caged and then Joker came
Yeah.
and he
Rescued
kind of
her.
rescued her. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's kind of like that whole situation.
Oh my god.
I love Harley when she's alone because she's her own personality. And when she's with Joker, she doesn't show that.
It's a toxic
personality.
relationship, guys.
Of course, they're toxic. They're kind of villains, bro.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Nobody keep a secret, guys.
Oh.
What is this?
The whole video maybe is a very cool toned vibe video,
Yeah.
which is exciting at some point, seriously. And also the fact that the song has a very neat.
Yeah.
I'm using the word neat
Because-
I'm seeing it, and it also gets with the whole situation.
Yeah.
So it's kind of neat.
I'm keeping it neat.
Yeah, as quoted from the song itself, I'm
Yeah.
keeping it neat.
Neat. Oh. This is good.
Ooh, wow.
Pink World. Check.
Oh, oh! I wish my hands could work like that. And trust me,
It's a fake hands with the
and-
bullet.
Yeah, trust me, the handgun would work. Like hand pew pew would work, and trust me, a lot of people would be removed from this world. If I'm not wrong, I don't like a lot of people. So yeah.
Let's play.
It's a very bad situation, except for my subscribers. If you're subscribed, you don't have
Subscribe.
to worry about it.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ooh. Pinky swear. Do you know how to do a pinky swear?
Well, this.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is a
I
pinky
know.
swear.
They are so thin.
Yeah, it's like they're on diet every day. They don't
Yeah.
eat anything, maybe.
They are so
Like,
thin, man.
They're really thin. And it's actually the beauty standard thing,
Yeah.
kind
right
of. And
now,
also they work out a lot
in pop,
due to
pop
the
culture, it's a regular.
like
thing.
I have read a lot of reports on that like pop idols from Korea,
Yeah.
China, Japan are not fed well enough. Like
Yeah.
you are supposed to have at least 500 to 1000 calories to at least get out of the bed and have the energy to work out and things. And also like some of the companies and mega companies who manages these idols are not like giving them that much energy.
Yeah.
They are just pushing them to do things, and then a lot of the times a lot of the idols are sick all the time because they have low energies, low calories, and that's why people who has issues with
This
calories,
is not
that's
good actually.
different. But
There is
yeah,
some kind of bad culture behind it.
I really
Bad
think
influence
yeah,
also.
I really think that people should accept different type of body types, like not only the thin, like a lot of women with a really curvy body look really really hot,
Yeah.
and they also can do a lot of exercises your normal body cannot do. To be very honest, I have seen a literal 90 kilo woman
Doing black backflip.
doing backflip, doing gymnastics and
Yeah.
everything, and that woman is healthy. Like, she is healthy, she exercises every day. It's like your body type, kind of.
Yeah.
Like, you need to understand your body type. Like, suppose for me, if I'm around 60 kilos to 50, 55 to 60 kilos, then it's my ideal weight, according to even doctors, that one should be around 60 to 65
Yeah.
kilos to have a nice healthy body, so that you don't have a lot of uh, diagnosis of different health issues, and your body has the energy to work every day. And because we are adults at this point, we need to work every day to have the money to pay the bills, right? It's like literal the things you need to
Yeah.
eat, you need to eat to produce the energy, but don't eat excessive foods, or maybe watch out for the extra fat, trans fats, maybe. As you know, everyday life we eat chocolates, like processed chocolates,
Yeah.
kind of those, like milk chocolates. Dark chocolates are good, they have less calories, they are good and taste good. If you add a little bit of salt, it also tastes very nice. But like milk chocolates, then pastries, cakes, then a lot of chips and these kind of snacks and fried things, these produce a lot of calories and they adds up very fast. So what you can do, you can just remove those from your diet list. Like, the way you eat, you don't eat it or you don't consume it, then you are able to check yourself, and in
Yeah.
today's era you are able to do anything with your body. So just be healthy, and that's all you need. You don't need to have a paper thin body or a zero figure to look beautiful. You can look very hot and sexy, even when you have a lot of weight. Trust me, I feel like it. I feel like I have been thin my whole life. This was a problem. Like, this was a really big problem. I weighted around 40 kilos when I was in um, what, class 12. Like, in 12th grade I was about to go to college, and I weighted only 40 kilos, which is really bad. I could actually I could actually swept away by a storm, to be exact. So it is bad. Thin body weight, like when you don't have body weight, that's also bad. When you have excessive body weight, that's also bad. But in between that, when you have a healthy weight, you know how to like navigate your body through that, then it's fine. Then
Yeah.
it's really fine. You just need to focus on your body health. If it's fine, if it's checked, if it's all like like a good body health, then it's fine. If you can't wake up or sit up, if you have that much body weight or that less body weight, then it's bad. Excessive anything is bad, to be
Yeah.
honest. Like, anything at all is bad. So yeah, that's all. I've been to drifting a lot of.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's
Let's
okay.
play.
I think it's necessary to like talk about these things
Yeah.
at this point of time. A lot of time we see that when influencers who does talk about these things, they also show a lot of different. Which, like, I have seen a lot of influencers who are showing, like, yeah, positive body, and etc. And then they are promoting a different kind of hypocrisy.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are a lot of things which is not necessary. We need to be happy about our bodies and be healthy. That's all. That's all. Be healthy and be happy.
Oh my god.
Oh, what? Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is
Are they being,
creepy.
like, are these guys being abused? Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
It feels like they're.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it feels so bad. I feel always bad because when some, like, people are in cages, I don't like it. Even
Yeah.
the, like, dog, cat, whatever, they're in cages, I
Yeah.
don't like it.
Me too.
I don't like it. And this time I feel like this guy needs help.
Yeah.
And yeah, no.
From them.
Yeah, this guy needs help. He looked abused.
Let's play.
Oh my god. Oh, oh, okay. What? Oh,
Oh
okay.
my god. This is dark. This is
Is
going dark, man.
yeah. Okay, what he's gonna do? What he's gonna do? What he is gonna do? Like now what, bro? You were you were ending this on a very bad note. What am I supposed to think? This guy looks creepy as hell as well. Like
Yeah.
this guy looks abused by them, and also this guy looks creepy as hell, like next door stalker. Really. Like those stalking movies, reindeer types, but that's a man except for a woman, and both are same creepy as hell,
I
reindeer
know.
vibes. I don't know,
This
this
is
this has so
something.
many mixed feelings. I have so many mixed feelings about this. I
Yeah.
love the song, its vibes are very tense, its vibe are very to be honest,
Catchy also.
catchy as well, and
Yeah.
also um negative kind of vibe, kind of negative, not completely, and also giving some mean girls vibe.
Yeah.
Who knows? And also the fact that the dresses looked amazing, and they always look so amazing.
Neat.
Yeah, no, not neat,
Neat
but
and clean.
neat and clean. No, yeah, but always look so amazing. I don't know how to do that.
Yeah.
I want their makeup artist to make me look like that for free. Yay! Anyhow, I'm fine with me.
Bye bye, guys.
I look pretty enough. Okay.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos. And if you have any recommendation that you want us to do, you can do that on the comment section. We will communicate there. See you in